How to change chat theme on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your chat theme on Instagram after the latest update. Now to do so first, it's pretty quick and simple, so let me guide you. Open up Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. And here once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. You can head into your chats by tapping on the chat icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll be able to view all your chats history or chats here. Now if you open up a certain chat, you'll get an interface like this. Now change a chat theme. What you want to do is tap on the profile or the username of the chat that you have opened up. And here you'll get the profile option, search option, mute option and options, and down below it you can see the option theme here. Tap on theme and you can change the theme. You can select any theme that you want from here. So this way you can change a theme on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget, leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.